Hello everyone. So this is the mobile app starter kit. We are using Flutter 3.16.8 version, and what you are going to get from this is like user feature. There's a user login, registrations. We are using Firebase authentications. And app terms and service agreement page. This is our registration page. So the backend is using the Firebase storage to store all the data. There's a different. So basically, we are using Flutter. So Flutter can make. You can write once and deploy into two different platforms in iOS on the right and Android on the left hand side. So these apps also include the email verifications, so you need to verify your email before the user can log in. After that, you can focus on the feature. So let's get started. So in the source code, we have a crystal clear README file that show you like how to install the entire apps on this mobile app starter kit. As you can see, we are using 3.16.8. So in this video, I show you step by step. We are using a Flutter version management package to basically install the Flutter and then use the correct versions by this library. After that, we can use the FEM Flutter Create to create our applications. In this example, we are going to create an app called Fun Game. It will take some time, so I already fast forward in this case. Let's build the iOS first. So I will bring up the iOS simulator. And also let's start the project to see whether the simulator is able to run the app for the first time, which is the default Flutter app. So yes, we have successfully launched the default Flutter app. After that, you run this Flutter Doctor to make sure that you are running on the correct versions, which is 3.16.8. After that, just follow the README file to proceed with the copy some source code, which you are going to get from me. Update the top spec from the Flutter. So basically, this file is showing like what library we are using in this Flutter app. I already have all the source code. Right now is I just want to like show you how I make it happen. Copy all the files such as assets, replace the entire library, Okay, here we go. We need to, as I said, Firebase is our backend, so we need to create a new project in Firebase there. So since we are going to create fun game, so let's give our project name fun game. While waiting the Firebase project get created, so let's continue with the iOS. Let's continue with the Firebase setup. Yeah. We are using the Firebase authentications in this case. In this case, we are using the email and password for the authentications. It's a feature from the Firebase there. And then we are going to use the Firestore to basically store all the user details. Such as their first name, last name, and etc. After the Firestore created, so we need to update the rule. So I also have the rules documented in the README file there. After that, we are going to use the storage to store the user profile image. So you also can use it to store other image as well. Same as previous, you also need to like update the rule, which is documented in the README file. After that, you need to create the iOS and Android in your Firebase there. So we need to register the iOS app in the Firebase. The Apple Bundle ID is basically the organization's name plus your project name, where you can see just now we created with this com.chris.fun game. After register the app, you need to download this Google Service info plist file. In the iOS folder, you need to open this runner workspace so that it will open up the Xcode applications in your local machine there, because we need to add the Google service file from Xcode. You need to have Xcode to do this. Once we add the file from the Xcode, then we are done. And then in the README file there, you need to add some value here. Where is some information to give permissions for the applications to use the photo, the camera in your applications. After that, we are considered done and we can start the iOS app now. It takes time to run for the first time. Yeah, this is required for the iOS. So yeah, this is our app right now. So it's pretty simple. So with the login screen and the registration screen, and as you can see, we don't have any user here. It's a fresh new database in the Flutter there. Let us start register a new user here. And as I said just now, we need to verify the user email. So you're going to receive the email, the default Firebase email template to verify the email. So after the email successfully verified, user can click check email verifications, and then this is the screen for the term and service, which is required for all the applications. Yeah, here we go. We have a simple to-do app right now. User can log out and log in again with the same account. So let's check about the Firebase there. As you can see, we have one user right now. This is all the user detail. We store all the user details in Firestore. And for the storage, we store the user profile image. So our app, there's a front end and back end right now. So which is hooked up to this Firebase as a back end. Okay, I think we're done for the iOS. Let's set up for the Android app right now. Same as just now, we also need to go to the project setting there and then add the Android app here. So for the Android package name, you need to put the com.chris.fungame, because as I said just now, the com.chris is the organizations and then the fungame is the project name. You can also check in the application ID there based on this file. So download this Google service.json file and you're going to add into Android folder. All of these instructions already documented in the README file there, so feel free to refer to the README file there to do all of this. We need to update few files in in Android there. I think we are done, so we can start to install in the iOS, the Android simulator there. As I said just now, it will take some time, so let's wait. Okay, here we go. This is an Android app right now. So we can use the user account just now to log in. Yeah, here is the terms and service page. Okay, the UI, as you can see, is similar to iOS apps. So as I said just now, Flutter is a useful platform for us to write once and then deploy into both platforms. It can save a lot of our time